This thing is fixing to put down a tornado anytime.
Check for debris.
I'm not seeing anything on the ground as of yet, but it is getting close. Really close.
You can hear the electricity coming off this power line. There goes the alarms.
Blowing the whistle.
Yep, they're blowing the horns.
That's good. This thing is just to the north. It's on the ground.
On the ground.
On the ground. Tornado on the ground. Check it out, folks. Live tornado on the ground. Thing is rapidly spinning. This thing has got some power to it too. It's rapidly rotating, wrapping the rain in it. Take a picture, take a picture. It's fixing to put down another one. Look, right beside it. Look, 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 look.
Yep.